so all the children could not follow Rusty because the traffic signal buses the truck is tweet with the cops. Oh, look at the kids. See the babies? See the babies? Only down the street is Top Hat rolled all by itself in the melting snow. Mr. Policeman, the children cried. Where's Frosty the Snowman gone? Oh, yeah. Look at this, Frosty. And that's it. That's the end. Wow. You see the babies? Huh? You see Frosty the Snowman? Huh? What'd she say?
She used the brush because she said it's a lot of white dots, from the soup, and then she
Use the scratchy part.
yes, no, she used, you remember
The
when
sponge.
the
She used the
sponge.
rough spot of the sponge.
Yeah, she said sorry, she don't know. I said nothing we can do, it's already like that. Next time she should not do that. Where are you going? Huh?
No.
Just leave it, Daddy, leave her.
No, she's gonna get the stuff I put behind there that she can't have.
Where's her big baby?
So here. She still has her cough. I can hear it gurgling in her throat.
The doctor told me if she's still coughing until today, we should go back Monday.
Okay.
I don't know how we can do that.
You're not really coughing too much, just a little bit. But have they been giving her medicine? Probably not.
No, they did. They already buy medicine because other medicine is gone. I leave her money and she buy medicine, diaper, and milk.
She's stuck.
Hey, Tia, what are you doing? Come here, come back. Daddy, help her.
No, let her
Ah, no. Okay. Go.
Come here. No. They can't go underneath there. You see what happens if you go underneath there? You get stuck.
Yeah. Let's see if she wanna go back. Let's see. Hi.
Hey! No. No. You can't go underneath there. Where's your baby? Right here. Huh? Okay, here's your baby. Okay. Here's your other baby. Okay? Boom. So guys, lots going on today, as you can see.
Daddy, I was cleaning all day.
She's cleaning all day.
Just now I rest.
Okay.
All of the stuff here, I put it to the other house.
You
And
did?
it's so heavy. You're just snoring. You don't help me.
You didn't put it there, Manon put it over there.
Manong!
Oh, sila ko nung anit, hindi na mo balik.
Hindi sila mabalik. Eh naman.
Wow,
Sige lang. Hindi na sila mabalik. Sige lang.
yan kami.
What happened?
They were in the mountain and he will not come back.
They're not coming back? Why?
I think this, I don't know. I don't want to force to the people who don't want to work.
So they're not going to finish the wall in the back?
No, we can find someone else.
Oh, that sucks. Why? Because they can't sleep over there anymore?
Maybe no, it's not like that.
Why did
Maybe they think that it's throwing away. No.
they can sleep in the kitchen?
Yeah, or there.
Tell them.
No, I don't want to work in that.
I thought we were going to finish that wall in the back.
Last week I deduct the 500. Of course,
So they're mad about that? Hi, good morning, baby.
Hi, Devin.
So Sunday morning, I always like making videos on Sunday morning. So the kitchen is still a work in progress because we only have one painter. So he's off trying to finish the moldings, which I'll show you later. Stove is a little dirty. But I got some, I got some nice fish for, eat your salad, and then we'll have fish for lunch later or dinner. And everything in the kitchen is working perfectly. The only thing I need to do is spray for the ants. I really can't stand. Lynn's used to these little black ants. They're harmless, but I don't like any ants in my house. But it's really hard in the Philippines to wipe out all the bugs. But so here's our new table. Right now I put it under the fan and close to the air conditioner because we don't have a couch yet. But eventually it will go here. We just got it. This came the night that we came back from Cebu. So, and we got our TV on the wall, obviously. We cleaned up the kitchen a lot. We got rid of a lot of the storage stuff. We put it in the kids' villa. We got Sammy here on Sunday morning hanging out. And so this is the dining room table. The doors are still a little sticky. It's so aggravating. But they do close a little bit better. And we got, so this is the first look at the molding. They did a kind of a sloppy job here, but I'm okay. I just want it done. So I don't know if you can see the insulation here, the weather stripping. It works fantastic. There's no airflow whatsoever coming through the doors. A little bit of space right here. Nothing I can do because the doors is. So just to end the video, here's another peek at our messy bathroom. So it's really a mess. But it's coming along. And here's a closer look at our closet. So we'll put a hanger in here, and a hanger in here. And then you got your long-term storage stuff up on the top that you use all the time. And then you have there'll be more drawers here. And these drawers are humongous, by the way. If I pull this out, I mean, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. A lot. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those drawers. And you're probably gonna double them up here. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then I think these will be open. That's what I'm guessing. Right? And then there'll be a door just like this one. There'll be a door just like this one with a track on the top. Not one of these barn doors, but door like this, stained, of course. And only one door. It'll slide just from one side to the other. That's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe to our channel. Take a look at Kyla's channel, Kyla's Vlog in the Philippines. We do have more videos for her coming up. Thanks for watching. Oh, look at this pretty girl in red, huh? Ooh. Baby, you're so pretty today. What happened? You got a good night's sleep, that's why you're so pretty? Huh? You got no bra on? Is that what you're doing? Hiding your boobs? Wow. Huh? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to Kyla's channel, Kyla's Vlog in the Philippines. Let's get her to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get her up there. That's it. Have a good Sunday, everybody. Have a good weekend. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks, everyone.